everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Arlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing a portable printer, but let's get right into this. So as you can see, I got some extra little printing paper, which I will link both of these together because it is from the same brand. And then we got this right here. So this is the model number. It will tell you all the things on the side, like what it does. That's one on this side. So it does come with a user manual. This is like in quick installation user manual. I did get the blue one, as you can see. And then it does come with 3 different rolls of printing paper and a charger. Let me go ahead, download the app, which is pretty self-explanatory. You just scan that, connect it through Bluetooth, and then download the app, and then you'll be able to print out, like choose what it is that you want to print out, and then we will print it out from there. Let me go ahead and open this. We're going to open up this right here. Then you're just going to open it like this. You can kind of see where it has these little dip things. It'll have the same things right there, so that'll kind of guide you on exactly how to put it in there. So one of them has like a little hole thing, so that's how you know how it goes in, because it'll fit perfectly in there like that. And then you're just going to go like this.
Do you have any boxes?
And then your power button is going to be right here. You can see it's blinking because it wants to connect on Bluetooth. So let me go ahead, connect this, and we'll see how it works. So you're going to scan this, and then you're going to be able to download the app to it. And I have an Apple, so I'm going to download Apple Store. Go there, and then download that right there. So get it. Okay, now I'm going to open it. Search devices, make sure that this is blinking. So it's blinking green. Click to connect. I'm connecting it. And now it is connected. I'm going to log in. You can do barcodes, you can do text, pictures. I'm going to do a picture. And I'm just going to take a picture that I want to download, which I have a really good one. And then so I selected one. So I'm going to confirm. It's going to be black and white, which is fine. I understand. And then I'm just going to print it. And it has 1F, 2F, or 3F. I'm going to do 1F. And I'm going to print 1. Because it has density, copies, print mode. You know, I'm going to do 3F. So it's super dense. And then print. And then it's going to start printing out the picture right there. And then this now is a sticker that I can take off, and I can put it, if you're like a teenager, on a binder or something. Take a bunch of pictures with your friends and stuff. This is a really great gift idea, just to let you know. But yeah, that's what it looks like. The quality is really good. It's like a little fun thing. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.